Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Alconox is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning agents available on the market, designed to tackle a wide range of laboratory and industrial cleaning challenges with unparalleled efficiency. Whether you're dealing with stubborn residues, biological contaminants, or general grime, Alconox offers a powerful yet safe solution that ensures pristine results every time. Its unique formulation is specifically engineered to rinse away completely, leaving no interfering films or residues, which is critical for sensitive applications where purity is paramount. This makes it an indispensable tool for researchers, technicians, and manufacturers who demand the highest standards of cleanliness in their work. Number 5. XYMOGEN ColonX Bowel Regularity Support. Are you looking for a way to support your gastrointestinal health and promote regular bowel movements? XYMOGEN ColonX offers a vegetarian-friendly solution designed to help you feel your best. This formula features key ingredients like magnesium citrate, Cape aloe, and triphala, known for their natural properties. These components work together to gently encourage bowel regularity. Experience gentle yet effective support for your digestive system. It's crafted to provide relief and promote a sense of comfort and well-being. Our capsules are vegetarian, making them a suitable choice for those with dietary preferences. Enjoy the benefits without compromise. Restore balance to your digestive system. With regular use, you can achieve greater comfort and a more predictable routine. For comprehensive gastrointestinal and bowel regularity support, choose XYMOGEN ColonX. It's the natural choice for a healthier you. What we like. This option is designed for comprehensive digestive health. It aids in promoting regular bowel movements and offers gentle gastrointestinal support. If you are looking for a vegetarian-friendly way to support your digestive system, this is a great choice. What people say. Alconox is a highly effective detergent that removes stubborn residues from laboratory glassware, including oils, greases, and biological contaminants. The powder form of Alconox allows for easy dilution and precise measurement, making it a cost-effective choice for cleaning a variety of laboratory equipment. Alconox is biodegradable and phosphate-free, making it an environmentally responsible option for laboratory cleaning. Number 4. Alconox Liquinox Critical Cleaning Liquid Detergent. Introducing Alconox Liquinox, a powerful liquid detergent designed for critical cleaning. It's perfect for both manual and ultrasonic applications, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Experience the difference with its free rinsing formula. You can trust it to deliver reliable results without any interfering residues left behind. This detergent is extremely mild, making it safe for delicate items. It's also completely soluble, whether you're using hard or soft water. Rest assured, this product is USDA authorized. This means it meets high standards for safety and effectiveness in various applications. Available in a convenient 1-quart bottle, it's easy to store and use. Get the cleaning power you need in a manageable size. What we like. This liquid detergent is perfect for achieving critical cleanliness without leaving any unwanted residues. Its mild, soluble formula works effectively in both hard and soft water. If you need a reliable cleaner for manual or ultrasonic applications where purity is paramount, this is your go-to. What people say. This is a great cleaner for my lab equipment. It removes tough stains and residue effectively. I've been using Alconox for years and it always gets the job done. Number 3. Alconox Powder Labware Detergent. Introducing Alconox Powder Labware Detergent, a powerful and biodegradable and ionic powder cleaner. It's concentrated for effective manual and ultrasonic cleaning. This versatile cleaner is ideal for a wide range of materials including glass, plastics, metals, ceramics, porcelain, rubber, and fiberglass. Achieve a thorough clean on all your labware. Looking for a safer option? It serves as an excellent replacement for hazardous solvents and corrosive acids. Clean effectively without the harshness. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, making it an economical choice for your cleaning needs. Get more cleaning power from every box. This product comes in a convenient 4-pound box, ensuring you have enough supply for your laboratory's requirements. It's ready to tackle your toughest cleaning challenges. What we like. This concentrated powder detergent is an excellent eco-friendly option for tough, cleaning tasks. It is ideal for a wide range of materials including glass, plastics, and metals. If you are seeking a powerful, biodegradable alternative to hazardous solvents for your labware, this product is highly recommended. What people say. This is the best detergent for cleaning lab equipment. It removes all types of residues, including oils, greases, and biological contaminants. The detergent is also biodegradable and environmentally friendly. Number 2. IMPRESA CPAP Cleaning Solution 2-Pack. Keep your CPAP equipment pristine with our powerful cleaning solution. It effectively removes residue, ensuring a clean and healthy sleep experience. Our citric acid-based formula is designed to be residue-free. You can trust it to clean thoroughly without leaving any unwanted traces behind. This cleaner is safe for all plastic components of your sleep system. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your CPAP gear is being cared for gently. Get a convenient 2-pack of 8 fluid ounces bottles, perfect for regular use. This ensures you always have a supply on hand when you need it. Its travel-friendly pack makes it easy to take your cleaning solution on the go. Maintain your CPAP hygiene wherever your adventures take you. Breathe easier with a consistently clean CPAP machine. Our solution helps maintain optimal performance for your sleep therapy. What we like. This cleaning solution offers a residue-free way to decale and clean your sleep system components. It is specifically formulated to be safe for plastic parts. If you travel frequently and need a convenient, safe cleaner for your CPAP equipment, this travel-friendly pack is an excellent selection. What people say. The Alconox cleaning powder is highly effective at removing tough residues, leaving lab equipment sparkling clean. Its low-foaming formula is ideal for use in ultrasonic cleaners and automated washing equipment, preventing oversudsing and ensuring thorough rinsing. The powder dissolves completely in water, making it easy to prepare cleaning solutions without leaving any residue behind. Number 1. Alconox Alcojet Low-Foaming Powder Detergent. Introducing Alcojet, a low-foaming powder detergent designed for effective cleaning. Its specialized formula tackles tough residues without excessive suds. This powerful cleaner is gentle on your equipment while remaining highly effective. It ensures a thorough clean without compromising material integrity. Perfect for use in automated washing systems, it rinses away completely. You can rely on it for consistent and reliable cleaning results every time. It is formulated to remove a wide range of stubborn residues, from oils and greases to biological contaminants. Achieve a superior level of cleanliness with ease. Available in convenient 4-pound boxes, it's easy to store and use. This product offers a cost-effective solution for your cleaning needs. What we like. This low-foaming powder detergent is designed for efficient cleaning in automated systems. Its low-foaming action ensures optimal performance without excess suds. If you require a bulk supply of effective detergent for machine washing and prefer a low-foam formulation, this case of 9 boxes is a practical solution. What people say. Alconox is a high-purity, low-foaming detergent that is effective in removing a wide range of contaminants. It is safe to use on most materials, including glass, plastic, and metal, and is biodegradable and phosphate-free. Alconox is ideal for cleaning laboratory glassware, medical instruments, and electronic components. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.